So in this Canva tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add effects to text here on Canva using the Canva desktop version. So once Canva's opened up, add some text to your design. So go to the left hand side here for this example. I'll just press and add a heading. I'll make it a little bit larger, just like that. So if you want to add different effects to text, it's super straightforward. Press on the text right here to open up this top bar. Pretty self-explanatory. Press on the effects button right here. And on the left-hand side of your screen, you have a whole bunch of different styles to choose from under effects. So you can do, shadow, there's lift, there's outline, there's splice, there's hollow, there's echo, there's glitch, there's neon, and then of course there's background. So for example, if you wanted to do splice right here, you can change the thickness. You can change the offset as well. You can change the direction, whatever the case may be. You can also change the color as well, whatever you guys want. There's a whole bunch of different effects right here. And if you want to go back to no effects right here, simply just press on none and exit out. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to add effects to text here on Canva using the Canva desktop version. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.